All right, today I'm going to show you how to use a whisk. I'm going to be using this whisk to whisk or mix up my eggs, which I'm going to be making scrambled eggs. So this is a whisk. This is made by Good Cook. Right here it says whisk right there, just in case you don't know what this is. It says whisk. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, and then I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the packaging right here. And there's also instructions. While I'm getting this out of the packaging, it says beat eggs, whip, icing, combine batters. It says balloon-shaped whisk with durable stainless steel whips, aerates, emulsifies, and combines ingredients. So right here, this is what they're talking about. This globe shape right here. Balloon-shaped, I'm sorry, whisk. It also says, quick tip, when whipping cream, ensure all ingredients are cold, including your whisk in a stainless steel. We're not going to be whipping cream right now. It has a full comfortable handle with lightweight design, won't strain hands. It's good for the top rack of the dishwasher. Yada, yada, yada. All right, so I have this out. Here's the whisk. Great handle. I'm going to go ahead and crack my eggs. Crack my eggs into the pot or the bowl. Just going to do about 2 eggs right here. All right, so I have this right here. Now I'm going to show you how to whisk this. So I have the whisk. You can either hold it like this, like you're eating, use your utensils when you're eating. You can do it like this. You do it like that. You do it like this. But I prefer to go like this because it allows the mixing to work a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to whisk this. And what this is doing, it's emulsifying. It's a little bit easier to use than a fork or spoon. And because it's a balloon shape with a bunch of wires going through it, it's able to emulsify, get this mixture, get in closer so you can see this a little bit better. And what I tend to do when I'm whisking is I'll whisk a little bit. I'll whisk a little bit. Whisker in your ear about what I do to this. And then I'll go ahead and add a little bit of pepper to it. And when I do this, it allows the pepper to be whisked into the combination like that. You see that? And that's how you use a whisk. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.